Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive right into how to create custom user statuses in Slack, your go-to guide for 2025. So let's not waste any time and get started. First off, you'll need to open up your Slack desktop app. This step is crucial because you can't customize your status on the mobile version. Now that we've done that, navigate to your name, located at the top left corner, and click on it. Once you've clicked on your name, a drop-down menu will appear. Look for the Set a Status option and click on it. The reason we do this is to access the status settings. Let me explain why this matters. Setting a status lets your team know your availability, mood, or any other custom message you wish to convey. Now we're in the status settings. Here you'll see a few suggestions like in a meeting, commuting, and more. But we're here to set a custom status. So click on the Set a Custom Status option. This helps us because it allows us to convey a more personalized message to our team. Next up is setting your custom status. A pop-up will appear where you can type in your status. You can also choose an emoji that best represents your status. Once you're done, click on the Save button. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Your custom status will now be visible to everyone in your workspace when they click on your name. But wait, there's a tiny detail we haven't discussed yet. You can also choose when you want your status to clear. You can pick Don't Clear, Today, This Week, or set a custom date. This feature is handy when you want your status to clear automatically after a certain period. And there you have it. You've successfully set a custom user status in Slack. It was as easy as pie, wasn't it? Remember, communication is key in a workspace, and your status is a simple yet effective way to communicate. Thanks for joining us today. Stay tuned for more quick and easy tutorials. Until next time, happy slacking.